The Tender Heart by Richard Sibbes. Read by Mark Waters. The Tender Heart. But to the King of Judah, who sent you to inquire of Yahweh, thus you shall say to him, Thus says Yahweh, the God of Israel, regarding the words you have heard. Because your heart was tender, and you humbled yourself before God when you heard his words, against this place and against its inhabitants, and because you humbled yourself before me, tore your clothes and wept before me, I truly have heard you, declares Yahweh. 2 Chronicles 34, verses 26 and 27. These words are a part of the message which the prophetess Huldah sent to good King Josiah of Judah. As the message was concerning him and the people of Judah, so his answer from her is exact, both for himself and them. That part which concerned his people is set down in the preceding verses, and that which belongs to himself is contained in the words now read to you. We see the preface of Huldah's message is strengthened with authority from God. Thus says Yahweh, the God of Israel. Such words carry in them the greater force and power from the majesty of the author. For if words spoken from a king carry authority, how much more than the word of the Lord of hosts, than the King of kings? Here is Huldah's wisdom, that she lays aside her own authority and speaks in the name of the Lord. Waters of the same colour do not hold the same nature and effect, for hot waters are of the same colour with plain ordinary waters, yet more effectual. So the words of a man coming from a man may seem at first to be the same with others, yet notwithstanding the words of God coming from the Spirit of God carry a more wonderful excellency in them even to the hearts of kings. They bind kings, though they labour to shake them off. They are arrows to pierce their hearts, if not to save them, yet to damn them. Before Huldah speaks to the king, thus says Yahweh, the God of Israel, regarding the words you have heard. Josiah was a man with an upright heart, and one who did what was good in the sight of the Lord. For he, desirous to know the issue of a fearful judgment threatened against him and his people, sent to Huldah, a prophetess of the Lord, to receive confirmation. After which he received a full and perfect answer of the Lord's determination, both touching himself and his people, that they being forewarned might be forearmed, and by their timely conversion to the Lord might procure the aversion of so heavy a wrath. In his integrity Josiah inquired of the Lord, and the Lord returned to him a full and trustworthy answer.